are specialized in sheet metal fabrication, CNC, machining services, and production of custom plastic parts. We are equipped with laser cutting, CNC bending, welding, grinding, riveting, CNC turning, CNC milling, and CNC machining equipment, ensuring strong and stable manufacturing capacity. We have obtained ISO 9001 certificates. There are 20 highly educated R&D engineers and 8 QA/QC inspectors in our team, which are guaranteeing strict quality assurance and continuous innovation. Our customization services cover both metal and plastic components with materials such as aluminum, stainless steel, copper, brass, and engineering plastics like ABS, PC, and nylon. From rapid prototype to mass production, we deliver tailored solutions that meet complex customer requirements while maintaining high precision and durability. With over 15 years of export experience, our products are widely exported to America, Europe, Australia, Africa, and Asia, serving brand owners and manufacturers in industries such as robotics, drones, automotive, medical, and industrial equipment. Products gain wide praises at home and abroad. Qingdao Kuruwei. Whether you need sheet metal parts, CNC machine components, or customized plastic parts, we are your one-stop partner for high-quality manufacturing, cost-effectiveness, and reliable after-sales support. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring the ideas to the reality.